moment, please. Almost done. Dinner is served. It's time to come to the table. Everyone is welcome here. Welcome, everyone. I hope you enjoy the meal. Come in, everyone. The feast is ready. Welcome. The table is ready. Oh, hey there. Grumble, grumble.
Welcome in, my dear neighbor. Please come join us. The food is wonderful tonight.
Oh, wow! This is incredible! There's plenty for everyone. Oh my, what is that? Huh? I told you it was something. What's happening? Dinner is served. Wow, dinner's ready. Wait, what's that? Whoosh, eek. Whoosh, phew, that was close. Come here, little buddy. Welcome. Feast your eyes on this. Wow, it's beautiful. All right, kittens, time to eat. Yum, food. Let's go. Time to add a little magic spice. Perfection! Wow, this is amazing! It's so exciting! I got them. Welcome, Luna. There's plenty to eat. Leo, come join us at the table. Leo, we need to coordinate, not just run wildly. Remember the plan we discussed. Time to add a little pinch of magic. Tonight, a little extra sprinkle of joy. Oh my, it's wonderful.
Keep up the good work, my little ones.
Oh no! Not on my watch. Got it. Phew. Here's the pepper, Mama. Oh, thank you, Luna. You're so clever.
You like it? Well, dig in! My compliments to the chef.
Ta-da! It's time for the show.
Dinner is served, everyone.
Welcome!
Bon appétit! I hope you enjoy every bite of this feast I've prepared.
Welcome, neighbor. Please come and join us at the table.
Oh my! This is magnificent!
Please help yourself. There's plenty for everyone. For you, Luna. Thank you, Leo. It smells delicious. Thank you, brother.
Welcome, everyone. Please enjoy the meal. It looks delicious, Mimi. Thank you.
Meow! So yummy! Get it! Mine! Leo, remember our manners. Let's wait.
Oh, sorry, Luna. Right.
That's better. Now we can enjoy.
I made this special just for you, neighbor. Please, eat up.
Oh, wow! This is incredible! Meow! This is so delicious, thank you. You are most welcome, Luna.
Dinner's ready, my sweet kittens.
Yum, it looks so good.
Thank you, Mama.
Harry.
This is the best meal I've ever had. I'm so glad you enjoy it.
Oops! Oh no! Quick, pick them up! Got it! Phew! Oh no! Whoops! That's okay, Leo.
Go on, Leo. It's perfectly all right. Perfectly all right.
Time for dinner, kittens! Yum! It smells delicious! So happy to be here together.
And then, to my surprise, the pumpkin started rolling down the hill.
Meow! Haha!
And that's how I ended up with pie all over my face.
Oh dear.
Wow, this looks amazing. I can't wait.
Tayo. And that's how we discovered the recipe for the perfect mushroom pie. Oh, delightful.
I hope everyone enjoyed the dinner.
It was delicious, Mimi.
So good!
I'm so glad.
I'll just get that from the cupboard. Oh, thank you, Mimi. Wow, Mama. What's that? Ooh, so many dishes. Let's see.
Welcome, everyone. I brought a little something extra for the occasion.
Oh, this looks so good. We hope you like it, Luna. Open it, Leo. It's for you.
Wow.
Thank you, Mimi. What is it? I made this just for you. Oh, Mama, it's perfect. Oh, I wonder what's in here. Wow, it's glowing. Look at that. Ooh, a present for me. What could it be? Wow, a chef hat. Perfect. Check me out. Yay! It fits perfectly. Look at me. Look at my hat. I did it. Ah. You look adorable. Dinner is served, everyone. Hope you're all hungry. Here, all better. Now we can eat. Wow. Thank you, Mama. Welcome, everyone. Please enjoy the feast I've prepared. Wow.
Bravo, little chefs! This looks amazing!
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
At ease, everyone. The feast is served. Ah! Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the feast.
Dinner's ready, my little ones. Feast your hearts out.
Mama Mimi, Leo, my little chef, I missed you. Me too, little one. I've made all your favorites. Thank you. I'm so happy to be here.
I'm so happy you're here, my little ones.
Wow.
Meow.
Welcome, friend. Please join us. Yes, do. We have plenty to share. Hurry, it's delicious. I have a hat.
Wow.
Look. Look at that hat. Welcome, neighbor. Everything is ready.
Leo, this spread is absolutely wonderful. I'm so proud of you.
Welcome. Please, help yourself. You're just in time. We're here, Mom. Ready to help. I knew I could count on you two. Welcome, come join me. Thank you. Is there anything I can help with? No, don't help. Just sit and rest. Let me take care of everything for you. Almost there. Don't fall, plates. Just a little further. Phew. Made it.
Careful, don't drop them.
Almost lost them, thanks. You're welcome. Almost there. Just a little further. Phew. Made it. Let's make these dishes sparkle. Next one's ready, Mom. My turn now.
Great team effort, everyone. Time for dinner, my little ones.
Meow.
Look at the feast I've made.
Welcome, come join me. Wow, smells delicious. I made your favorite soup. Thank you, I'm starving. The kitchen is spotless and dinner is ready. Come, let's eat. Goodbye, Mimi. Bye, Mimi. Bye now. Come back soon. Bye-bye.
I hope you enjoyed the feast, good neighbor.
I did. Thank you. It was delicious.
Until next time, farewell.
Goodbye, Mother Mimi. Goodbye. Safe travels. See you soon. See you soon. Time for bed, little chef. Okay, Mama. Look at this feast, Luna.
Wow, Mimi, it's beautiful.
Come along, little ones. Let's get you warm by the fire. time for dinner, little ones.
Yeah, dinner.
Looks delicious, Mimi. Sleep well, my little ones. Sweet dreams.
God, sigh.
Welcome, welcome. Everything is ready. Bon appetit, everyone. Let's make some wonderful memories tonight. Ah, what a truly lovely evening. You did such a wonderful job preparing dinner, sweetie.
Thank you, Mama Mimi. It smells so good.
I know. Let's eat.